Salmon in under 10 minutes. I'm gonna show you how to make air fryer salmon. Hey, it's Natasha of NatashasKitchen.com. Let's get started. We'll start with the marinade. Combine olive oil, Dijon mustard, fresh squeezed lemon juice, garlic powder, salt, and freshly cracked black pepper. Stir that together until it's well combined and take a whiff. This will become your new favorite glaze for salmon. It is the ultimate flavor combination. Next, grease the bottom of your air fryer basket to ensure the salmon doesn't stick. Now add your salmon fillets in a single layer. Generously brush all of that glaze over your salmon fillets. Set the air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and air fry for 7 to 10 minutes depending on the type of air fryer you're using and the thickness of your salmon fillets. Air fry the salmon until it flakes easily with a fork and it's just cooked through. For perfect doneness, I do double check it with an instant read thermometer. It should get to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer the fillets to a serving platter and garnish with some fresh lemon zest. Finish it off by squeezing fresh lemon juice over the top. I am so hungry for this. It smells amazing. I'm telling you, that combination of Dijon and lemon and garlic, it is magical for salmon. And then also serve with some lemon wedges so that people can squeeze some more lemon juice because I just can't get enough lemon juice with salmon. So fresh and amazing. You guys have to see the center of the salmon. Air frying is gonna become your go-to method for cooking salmon because it gets that little golden edge, which is a little bit crisp, and inside it just seals in that juicy, juicy, flaky center of the salmon. Oh, it's so mouth-watering. I cannot wait to dig into this. Check out the texture and the juiciness. Whoo, look at how nicely that flakes. It is so tender and moist, perfectly cooked. I am gonna go right into this taste test because I just cannot wait anymore. Okay, here we go. Ooh, that's a big bite. I can handle that. Oh, It is just so juicy and flavorful. Never bland or boring. This is literally my favorite flavor combination for salmon. And I have a little taste tester here who wanted to join us in the fun, somebody who also loves salmon as much as I do. All right, grab your fork. Which one are you going after? You going after my piece? Mm-hmm. That's my piece. What do you think? What do we get? We get a little dance. We get a little dance. Is that a 2 thumbs up? Do I get a 2 thumbs up? All right. And if you don't have an, ooh, did you see that? If you don't have an air fryer, that's totally okay. Check out our recipe for baked salmon, which is similar to this, just for the oven. Also really, really good. And if you don't have an air fryer, you probably should get one. We will leave links to our favorite air fryer in the notes below. Happy cooking. We'll see you in the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. All right, my piece of salmon is nearly gone. All right, somebody loves this salmon. Yeah, mouth-watering. Oh, you know, let's put some more lemon. What do you think? Kids love a lot of lemon. Now try it. Good? Oh, perfecto. All right, you guys are gonna love this air fryer salmon. Good.